Shoppers will want to brace themselves this year as Thanksgiving and Black Friday collide. Retailers such as Walmart, Toys R Us, and Sears will be opening the doors as early as 8 p.m. Thanksgiving Day to get a jump on their Christmas sales. The Pirate Nation will have to wait to find out the bowl destination of the football team, as it will be decided in the Conference USA Championship between UCF and Tulsa this weekend. ECU College Democrats have tents, just like this one, set up all over campus, offering students rides to polls on Election Day. ECU journalism students who want to get hands-on experience in a newsroom can take classes here in the Newsplex, located in Joyner East. Apple's iPad mini is the new hot item to have this Christmas. However, with demand being so high, students will have to wait to get it from the campus bookstore. Winter is still a month away, but here in Greenville, it feels like it's in full swing. Forecasters have predicted a chance of snow tonight. With Hurricane Sandy bringing rainy and cold conditions to campus, ECU students can be seen flocking indoors to places like this Mendenhall Student Center. For any voters who would like to get an early jump on the polls, they can come here to Mendenhall Student Center on the campus of ECU. Volunteers for candidates, like these folks beside me, will be outside the polls throughout the voting process, starting this week with early voting. The cupola here at the center of ECU's campus has a rather interesting history behind it, so interesting that this is as close as some students will get.